Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Everybody by Lil Baby. Song came out a couple days ago from the time of me recording this. Obviously, man, Lil Baby snapped on this. Really good song. You guys should definitely go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at the brand new pair of shoes. So we are going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 500 Utility Blacks. These came out around a week ago, and I was only able to get a size 10.5 off of the Adidas app. And these are really clean, man. And even though these aren't my size, I am still going to be doing an on feet for you guys. I brought 2 pairs of socks, so I'm going to be double socking this shoe just to do an on feet, even though they're huge, man. Like, I'm a size 9 and I can't wear these, bro. Here, let me actually show you guys the insole. In case you guys did not know, this shoe does not have boost. It has ortholite, but you know, first sizing, make sure you guys do go half size up. Do that with all your Yeezys. It just makes them feel a lot more comfortable. Unless you like that really snug feel, then you can go true to size. As you can see, materials are just really nice on this shoe, man. Basically, the whole shoe is just a mesh material, like on these parts, a nice like leather material, and suede right here. It's really buttery. Obviously, it changes color. Really good materials. Obviously, Yeezy shoes always have really nice materials. And then there's like a nice like rubber part right here. And then this is just rubber as well for the outsole. This is definitely one of like the more unique Yeezys. Not a lot of like shoes really look like this. So I remember when these first came out, a lot of people were like, they were hating on them. I remember these sat the first time they came out. Then they started going for like $400 or $500, and now they finally re-released. And they go for like $300 now, which isn't that bad. I think this is a really clean shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Obviously, since it's not my size, I'm not going to be keeping these. I'm going to be selling them. So, you know, I'll make around $100, which isn't that bad, I guess. These are definitely a hold. If you got these for retail and you are able to get like, I don't know, like 3 pairs, definitely hold them for like a couple months and these will go up. One of the unique things about this shoe is the tongue right here. If you guys could see like the sizing thing, not sizing, the lacing thing, like it's so cool, man. That's always been one of my favorite like parts of like the 500. Really dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these. I don't know if these were easy. I legit just signed up for the raffle and randomly won. I think they did sell out everywhere, and that's why they go for like 300. But really solid colorway. This is definitely my favorite like 500 colorway. So let me know what you guys think about it. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.